Kusele imveke ngaphambi kokuthi i-ANC ibambe conference yama-55 yokhetha ubuholi kodwa nakubonakala kunokuhlukana ngaphakathi. Ngelesithathu seveke epheleleko umbiko webandla lamajaji eliphenya indaba yeplasi kaMengameli iPhala uveze bona uMengameli ngafuneka bona ayokuphendula malungana nePhala. Lokhu kwenze i-ANC bona ihlangane ngembono ehlukeneko ekhona malungana nokuthi uMengameli kufuze athokoze isikhundla ngemphakamiswezi. Umengameli Ramaphosa ubawiwe ukuthi abajidele emhlanganweni wekomidi ekulu ye-ANC. Lokhu kwenze nangaphezulu kokuthi umengameli walokho awuthabo Mbeki bekathe abekhona uRamaphosa azokuzwa nakuthathwa inqundo ngaye.
Consistent with practice, it is only fair that we recuse the president. So once he has delivered this political overview, we then allowed the president to leave the working committee. He also came in to greet members of the media, again an assurance that the ANC is very much at one as it relates to how it manages its own internal dynamics and all of that.
Mbiko ufumene bona umengameli wenze ukuphambana nokulunga ngokubhalelwa ukulandela nokuvikela kunye nokuhlonipha umthethosisekelo. Ngokuqala eminye imisebenzi empatelako wabhalelwa ukubikela amapholisa ngesehlakalo sokwebe eplasini lakhe njengombana kutsho umthetho iPrevention and Corrupt Activities Act. Wazibeka ebujameni bokuba sengozini yokwenza ukuphikisana nesikhundla sakhe. Kubuye kwatholakala nokuthi inyathi ekuthiwa ngizo ezenza ukuthi kube nemali engange $580,000 eplasini lakhe nokuthi imali leyo kuba yini besolo iseplasini ngemva kweminyaka emibili kuthengiswe inyathezo.
We know that the release of the Section 89 report has attracted great public interest as it relates to the future of the African National Congress and its leader in the person of the president. We can assure you that the ANC is capable of managing all of this. We have done so in the past and we are going to do so now.
Nakusenjalo ikomidi ekulu ye-ANC beyisazivalele ngendumbeni. Amanye amalunga we-ANC ahlangene khonapho, amanye ayamsekela umengameli, amanye akamsekeli.